kitchen. My name is Cheri, and today we are going to be making a pineapple casserole. So you're probably like, what in the heck is that? But before I tell you, let me just say, if you're new here, you love food, you love fun, you are in the right spot. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss anything new. All right, so pineapple casserole. So it's a pineapple and cheese. I know, it's pineapple, sugar, butter, and cheese. You heard me right. And I know it kind of sounds crazy, but I promise you it is delicious. And I used to think the same thing. When I waited tables, we used to have people that would come in and they would order apple pie with slices of cheddar cheese on top, and I thought they were nuts. But after tasting this, I just fell in love with it. So this is a Southern favorite, and it's served at a lot of holidays. So I thought with Easter coming up, this would be perfect. So to get it started, I've got a cup of sugar, and I've got 6 tablespoons of flour. And I love this because it's such an easy recipe. You can throw this together in no time. And if you're like me and you keep canned goods on hand, you probably already have all the ingredients. All right, and then 2 cups of cheddar cheese, which at the end of the bag, it looks about like an 8-ounce bag to me, so all of this is going to go in there. So give or take a little bit. You know, I'm not real picky on measurements, unless I'm baking. So we're going to stir our cheese in. And now we're going to add our pineapple. And we want to drain the pineapple first. So I've got 2 cans of chunk pineapple. So that's the kind you want to get, not the crushed or the rings, but you want to get the chunk. And I'm going to show you real quick, just because this recipe is so fast, how our can opener works. So you do it across the top instead of the side, and you go all the way around so you've done a complete circle, and then you turn it back this way and it releases it. And it has a little beak on here, and that pulls the lid right out. So it completely unseals the can. Pretty cool, right? Then my other favorite, I shouldn't say favorite, I got so many favorites, but this is our can strainer. So usually just goes on top, but you know, like your tuna cans are a little bit bigger. This one is a little bit bigger. So instead of going this way, we're going to turn it this way, and we're going to reserve all of this juice. So we're going to need this for the top. So the pineapple goes in. Let's scoot it this way. All right, pineapple goes in. And then I'm going to give this a stir. All right, looking good, smelling good, and it smells so good. It almost smells like a pineapple upside down cake. You can just smell the sweetness of the pineapples. But I know there's cheese in here because it's smelling so good. It's making me want to put like cheese in a fruit salad. I know, sounds weird, right? I'll tell you, here in the Midwest, we have all kinds of salads. We got bologna salad, ham salad, we got cookie salad. We can make a salad out of anything, and it's really not a salad. All right. So for our topping, I just took a sleeve of Ritz crackers. I went ahead and crushed those up, and I'm going to add in 6 tablespoons of butter. And we're going to add in probably about half of our juice here. And then this is going to go right over the top. I'm just going to spread this out a little bit. And then this is going to go in the oven for probably 25 minutes at 350 degrees. So our casserole is done, and I'm betting you guys are dying to know if it's any good or not, right? Pineapple and cheese. So let's get a little bite out of here. Hopefully it's not too hot. It's got a beautiful buttery topping, though, that I love. So good. If you guys think it's crazy to put cheese and pineapple together, you've got to give this a try, because I'm telling you, this is really, really good. But y'all know I love sweet and savory anyway, but I really think you'll like it. So I think you should give it a try. Give it a try. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Put it in the comments below, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.